feel like telling.
On there as it does in real life, but that sky is nearly black. We're just saying we like a good storm. If it's an impressive one, a bit of thunder, a bit of lightning. Oh yeah, I'd rather be somewhere like not in the storm. It's good if we can get somewhere outside where we can sort of watch. We can swim in the storm. I'm not. I get put my life. But water isn't a as we predicted, raining. You saw Fort Lightning before, didn't you? I don't think I've mentioned yet because it's not done a full like rundown of where we're going and what we're doing. But tomorrow we're getting a train to We found out later we think it's actually pronounced Ayutthaya, not Ayutthaya. Today, bought some jeans, I'll show you those later. See you when I've got some food because I am starving. I basically had a nice chocolate for lunch, which was really good, but it wasn't food. Oh, sorry. She opened the umbrella in my face. I'm trying to protect the camera. Let me see if I can get this. Can you see? Oh, yes you can. Can you see those rats? There were more yesterday. Most of Thailand isn't like that, to be fair. You'll see that in the next few videos, I suppose. I feel like capital cities are always like that. And yeah, the back streets. It's not even all of Bangkok. Tell you what, Bangkok's actually very clean in terms of like, you go in a shopping centre and the toilets, we went in one, you could sort of adjust it in the way you could adjust a hospital bed and it could wash your bum for you. Honestly. Very innovative. I didn't use them because I was a bit sceptical of the bum washing. I could have done. That's the point. The option was there. I've ordered a mango and avocado sandwich. I wanted the one with salmon in, but it was raw salmon. And I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not a fan of sushi. And I feel like I wouldn't like the texture. Yeah, I was saying about the rats. I wouldn't want one to touch me necessarily. But it's the same with any animal. Like, they get a bad rep. Because if you see a dog crawling out of a sewer, you're not going to want the dog to touch you either, even though you might love dogs. I'm more of a budgie kind of gal. We had a budgie and it died, but we're thinking of getting another one. Here's me salad. Gonna have some rice and stuff with it as well. I feel like to pad it out a bit. As promised, I want to show you my jeans, but also, first of all, look at this. Mosquito bites. That's not okay. It looks like I've properly injured myself. Now I hope you can see these from all the way over there. Oh, I really like them. I think they're cool. What do you think, Alice? Yeah, they kind of need to be up there a bit more. But I just think they're cool. Oh, Levi's. Oh no, that's not Levi's. Yeah, it is! Maybe they were fakes. Maybe they were fakes. That wouldn't surprise me, to be honest. But they feel very good quality, like they're quite heavy. And they're a very good length for me, because I've got really short legs, so it's very difficult to get pants that actually fit. And I say they actually fit, but they are a little bit big around here. Tomorrow we're going to Ayutthaya, which is exciting. No idea what that's going to be like. Lots of temples. But I'll see you there. Well, no I won't. I'll see you when we're getting the train to go there. Yeah? We didn't get the train as we planned because it was pouring it down. And the taxi man gave us quite a good price. So we were like, sure, take us there, man. And he did. Actually, I'll do a little room tour later. But it's a very nice room from just the first impressions. It's very Thai. Lots of Thai, what's the word? Embellishment. Lots of gold. I really like this view. I don't know what it is. some sort of ruins. It's a very pretty temple. I love how they like make everything shine. Everything's so golden. There's a load of monitor lizards over there, like massive ones. Look at the size of him. Massive. I would not like to be in a fight with him. Mum was just like, I wonder why no one else is wandering around this bit. Maybe that's why. They're kind of like dinosaurs. It's come pretty quickly.
Just rice and we've not got the other sausages and stuff.
Yeah, I like sausage. I love a bit of sausage. It's probably going to be really spicy.
It smells spicy.
Because it's very like authentic. And it does smell spicy. We just wanted a bit of a snack, bit of lunch. So hopefully this will hit the spot. That's a much better lighting and look a lot less orange. So that food was really good that we had for lunch. It wasn't like a proper restaurant. It was just like a shack and some tables. But no, it was good. Hopefully my stomach agrees. It's been a few hours since then though. We're hungry again and everything's closed down. It's just a bit of reality for you. Sometimes things don't go to plan. But if you're planning on coming to Ayutthaya, just know that things closed down, but we're only here today and tomorrow, so it's okay. We saw a frog. That was quite cool. I mean, I've seen a frog before, but I love frogs. I'm gonna have a shower, but before I do that, actually I might as well give you a little room tour. First of all, off the bat, look at that door. When you come round past the door, we have these like yoga mats. When we first came in the room, I didn't realise that this was our room. I thought it was like a yoga retreat that was just the reception for the hotel. But no, when I realised this was our room, I was like, it looks like a spa. Anyway, Mum and Dad's bed. They've very kindly taken the sort of ramshackle bed, meaning like it's just a bit of wood with a little mattress. It's not as nice as our bed. So thanks Mum and Dad. Then we have this little sofa area and reception. There is no reception, but that is reception also. I don't really know. Honestly, my favourite thing is these. Look how cool they are. They're so very Thai. So yeah, that's the first room. There's a big curtain to separate and this archway. And our bed, it's just so fancy. I feel like the Thais really go all out on their hospitality. More cool archways. So then through this arch, honestly, we had some free umbrellas, some robes, which I might actually wear just for the fun of it. Then they literally have given us bath bombs. You have to pay for them, but still, I think that's very nice of them. Again, hospitality. The bathroom, actually probably my favourite part. Look at these tiles. I really like these. It's one of those that has a massive window. We've obviously closed that one because I didn't want people watching me on the toilet, you know. The bath is over there, the toilet, like even this. Like that is so cool. I don't know like what it is. It's just, you know, it's just cool. The whole thing is just very extra and that speaks to me. It really does. I just really appreciate effort. I really appreciate details. Mwah. Stunning. Hope you enjoyed that little tour. I probably I'll see you tomorrow now, because we're just gonna eat some stuff from 7-Eleven. And yeah, I was gonna say love you lots, but I don't. Okay, bye.